Today on Cat Kong, the cat with one eye looks at buildings. It licks itself while sitting in its lair. Ooh. And everybody's running and screaming, "Ah! Ah! Cat Kong! Cat Kong! Ah! Ah! Run!" Cat Kong? Where?